My name's Jordan and this is my wash and go routine. I typically do this once a week after I've washed, deep conditioned, and detangled my hair. The products that I'll be using in today's wash and go is the Wetline Xtreme Gel, along with Mielle Organics Curling Custard, which I love so much. Like, oh my goodness, it's really a game changer for me. I'll also be using my water bottle and some oil by Mielle Organics. So my hair is already washed and deep conditioned. I have Mielle Organics curling smoothie along with the leave-in. And normally before I get started with the gel and whatnot, I like to just take my hair down and make sure that it's in the correct spot. Like, I like to make sure that everything is in line and that my part is in the correct spot and that, I just like how it looks. Because once you put the gel on, you really don't want to touch your hair after that because it causes a lot of frizz. So I like to do all the touching and manipulation right now before I apply the gel. So now I'm just putting my hair back into sections, and I'll be taking these sections and splitting them into smaller sections because when it comes to wash and goes, it's better to work in smaller sections so that you can make sure you get every strand. So right here, I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like with just the curling smoothie and the leave-in from straight out of the shower. So now I'm just adding water before I apply the gel. And the first gel that I'll be applying is Mielle Organics Curling Custard because it's more of a moisturizing gel as opposed to wetline. So I like to add that first. I start by going from roots to ends. I smooth all the way down, and then I kind of like to rake with my fingers to make my curls clump more, because when they clump, they dry correctly and it's less frizz. Next, I'm applying the wetline gel, again from roots to ends and smoothing all the way down. And then after I smooth it all the way down, I kind of rake with my fingers. But as you can see, the wetline gel really elongates my curls, so I really like it. I just want to show you guys how fine my hair is, which is why I love the Wetline Xtreme Gel. It really gives me good hold that will last throughout the whole week. And here is the curling custard slipping right off my hands and right onto my foot. If I wasn't shamed, I definitely would have picked it up right off my foot and used it, because who has time to be wasting products around here? Not me. So it's safe to say that the curling custard has a very slippery consistency. So now that you've seen me do a couple of sections, I'm just going to speed the video up and let you guys watch. And now that I'm done, I just want to show you guys how I do my edges, which is my favorite part. I add a little bit of water and smooth it down. Then I take some of the wet line gel and apply a pretty generous amount. Then I take my comb and I kind of just comb my edges how I would like them. I typically do 3 little swoops because I just absolutely love this look. And once I comb it, I chase it with my finger just to kind of smooth it out. Then I take a little bit more gel and just kind of smooth them down to ensure that they stay down for the entire day. And after that, I'm pretty much done. I just like to shake my hair, kind of separate some of the curls. Now I'm just showing you guys a 360. The back does have a part, but that typically goes away. It's there because of how I do my hair, but it usually goes away by the next day. After this, I just let my hair air dry during the day, and that's it. So it's the next day, and as you guys can see, it's definitely a little fluffy, which I like considering I have fine hair. It just gives me more volume, so I don't really mind frizz. I can usually wear my wash and goes for an entire week, which ensures that I keep my hands out of my hair, and I just love the look of wash and goes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.